Good morning and welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. You know, earlier I trimmed this pot that's on the bat and it came out quite nice. I'm really happy with it. But after this trimming work was done, I had quite a bit of clay trimmings left on the wheel, and I thought I'd take a quick moment to show you that, you know, this clay doesn't have to have an end of life. It can be saved and reused for other projects. So I just took a jar and I've been putting little scraps of clay in it, and taking these harder pieces of clay and gathering them all up allows me to soften and equalize the moisture content within all of the clay in the pot, and then dry it out later, knead it, and repurpose the clay. This is just a quick little video that saving the clay scraps in a sealable container allows you to prepare it for future use. So it's a little tip from the Early Riser Workshop. Thank you very much.